Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Ford Performance 5.3 liter modular stroker short block. This is a 4.6 liter base modular short block that's bored to 5.3 liters, and it offers a great platform for those of you out there that are looking to go with a custom build and big modular horsepower. Or you could go with a more mild, naturally aspirated setup with this block. The cool thing about this short block is that it really suits a lot of applications. Naturally aspirated, supercharged, 2-valve, 3-valve, or 4-valve, this short block can work with it all. Not only does it suit a lot of applications, but it also has a wide range of power possibilities too, which really makes this a good option for just about anyone looking to go with a custom setup. Ford Performance has taken care of the hard part with the block and designed it in a way that makes the end result a strong and durable block that can have many jobs. It costs right about $6,200 and it has a $100 handling fee on top of that. And of course, the install will be a full 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. This short block starts off with a Boss modular block, which is a cast iron 4.6 liter performance block. Ford Performance then added a forged Eagle 3.75 inch stroke steel crankshaft with an 8-bolt flywheel pattern, forged Eagle 5.85 inch H-beam connecting rods with floating piston pins and ARP bolts, and forged aluminum pistons with a dish that's compatible with 2, 3, and 4-valve heads. Keep in mind that you will need to check piston to valve clearance depending on your camshaft. The block is also bored and stroked to 5.3 liters, and of course it is precision internal neutral balanced, so it's ready to be finished with your heads, cam, timing set, and manifold for your specific application. It even comes with a new high pressure oil pump for you, but picking up an oil pan will be something that you'll need to do. Keep in mind that this is just a short block or your bottom end. It's not a complete block. You still need to grab and assemble your top end or your heads, cam, intake, and timing setup. That's why you don't see any power number outputs or power ratings from Ford on this block. The fact that this is a short block also makes nailing down power numbers a little bit difficult. Your power results will depend on how you build the short block. You have to take into consideration all the normal things: the heads you'll use, cam, intake manifold, fuel setup, any other power adders, and of course, your tune. All of the parts in this short block are 100% new. There are no remanufactured products here. The block is a Ford Performance part number M6010BOSS50 cast iron block that is punched out and stroked as well. And like I said, all of the items in the bottom end are brand new, and we already talked about the specifics of those. Do make a note that 2005 to 2010 3-valve applications will need a motor mount adapter, but that's noted on the product page. The block does use 4-bolt mains, and remember that this is a 4.6 liter base, so you're looking at 4.6 liter heads, but you do have the choice when it comes to 2-valve, 3-valve, and 4-valve heads. The Coyote heads will not be compatible with this block. You're also looking at the 4.6 liter accessories like the alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, and so forth. Once again, the install for this is going to be a full 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. As always, if you guys are interested in this, you can always check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.